And we can see that CATIA actually have the strength of this whole range of different purposes, from the micrometer level to the 800-meter facility.
Okay.
And to have all this in one tool is, of course, an enormous strength and very, very beneficial for us.
Hello, so welcome. I'm Magnus from European Spalation Source. Thank you very much for being there. Can you tell us a little bit about who you are and what do you do at the European Spalation Source and what is the mission of ESS?
Yes, so my name is Magnus. I am working at European Spalation Source, being the manager for what we call engineering management group. My background is mechanical engineering, and I have mainly worked in the nuclear industry in Sweden. And European Spalation Source, ESS, huge research facility.
Yes.
It's an enormous project. We are in the range of 3 billion euros.
Wow.
It's important that it is we can say a common European project. So we are actually in total 13 countries today. And it's a spallation source, meaning that we have an accelerator. We are shooting protons into a target station where what we call spallation takes place. We have a target that is of tungsten as a material. There is a spallation, and the purpose with everything is to create an enormous amount of neutrons. And then send them to different neutron instruments where enormous amount of different research activities can take place. So it's an enormous research facility for many different purposes, including also different areas. It will become the most powerful neutron source in the world.
Maybe a question about what is or are your main challenges? Is it regulation, complexity, time?
There are many challenges, of course. To build the facility, it's a one-off almost. So that is, of course, I might say the biggest challenges. A huge challenge is, of course, as well that we have spread out the work in several different institutes and sub-suppliers. There are in the area of one or a few hundred partners in total. That are performing engineering work. So for us as the central engineering function, to make everything come together, to import large models, ensure that they have the quality, are built with methodologies and so on that we can work on in the future, and put everything together is a huge challenge.
Now maybe can you tell us a little bit about the solution of CATIA that you have been using? Is it 3D experience? Is it the type of applications in CATIA? Do you have other brands of the 3D Experience platform? Don't hesitate to share.
We are using 3D Experience for both the PLM system, what we call product or plant lifecycle management system, together with the mechanical design that we have in CATIA. And that is also, I talked about the challenges, but the huge benefit is also to have this excellent tool as the central PLM platform in the organization, where we actually are consolidating all information. The possibility of actually consolidating information into this system, also using what we call the ESS plant layout, that is a huge CATIA model of the whole facility. With all physical models, so to say, merged into one master model, also together with a lot of data. The possibilities with 3D Experience to be the central hub for this has been really a strength for the project, and it works.
What are the benefits of 3D Experience CATIA? It's a question that is, it's pretty important to ask. Is it efficiency, readiness, collaboration?
In this project, we have, as I mentioned, it is an accelerator. We have a target station, we have neutron instruments. The tolerances are very high in some parts of the facility. We are actually down to micrometer levels on tolerances in some aspects. So we must have a tool where we can use for product design on very high, we can say, components with high precision, and that is both big and require narrow tolerances. At the same time, we need to consolidate things, as I said, in a facility that is 800 meters long or something like that. And we can see that CATIA actually have the strength of this whole range of different purposes, from the micrometer level to the 800-meter facility. And to have all this in one tool is, of course, an enormous strength and very beneficial for us.
Thank you very much for answering this interview. Thank you very much for being there today. So stay tuned, and looking forward to see you more on the CATIA community and in the next events that will occur. Thank you again.
Thank you very much, and a pleasure to be here. It's great.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.